Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Mini Militia game on your iOS device. To download Mini Militia on your iOS device, first make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open up your App Store. Go to the search box and type in Mini Militia and search. The Mini Militia Doodle Army 2 is an intense multiplayer combat game. It can be played online with up to 6 players, and it is a fun cartoon theme cross between Soldat and Halo. Once you find the game, tap on the Get button or the Download button to begin downloading the app. Now wait until the app gets downloaded, which will only take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that the application has been downloaded, and now tap on the Open button to launch Open Mini Militia on your iOS device. How to sign up for Mini Militia? Open up your Mini Militia game and make sure that you're inside this page. Now, from the main home page, click the gear button at the top left. Inside your account tab, click on this Facebook button and follow the prompts. Enter your mobile number or your email associated with your Facebook account and enter your Facebook password. Finally, click Login and click on Continue button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign up for your Mini Militia account using your Facebook option. Click the Continue button to receive the cash. And now, start playing the game by clicking on the Battle button. On how to log into Mini Militia with email. When it comes to logging into Mini Militia, there are several options you can go on with. From the main home page of Mini Militia, after you open up the app, tap on the Settings button at the top left. Now, from the account page, you'll be able to see several options. That is, log in with Facebook, sign in with Apple, and log in with email. To log in with your existing email address, you'll need to tap on the email button, enter your email address that is associated with your account, and tap on the submit button. On the next page, you'll need to enter your password. Simply type it in the text box and you'll be able to log into your Mini Militia account with email. If you don't have an email login option for your game yet, you can also use the sign in with Apple button. Simply go ahead and continue logging into your account and you'll be able to log in using your Apple ID as well. How to add friends in Mini Militia. If you want to add friends in Mini Militia, then first launch Open Mini Militia game on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account as well. After you are inside, tap on the Friend button on the right hand corner and tap on Add Friends at the top right. Now, you can enter the user ID or the nickname of that person and search. Once you make your search, you'll be able to see the search result based on the name that you've given or the ID that you've given. And now you can find the person you would like to add and tap the Add Friend button right next to their profile. And soon after you tap on the Add Friend button, you'll be able to add friends on Mini Militia. If you don't find your friends in the list, you can always invite your friend by using the WhatsApp or the Facebook app icon at the bottom and follow the prompts. Send it to the contact you'd like to invite to the game, and then you'll be able to send them the invitation. How to change your name in Mini Militia. Open up your Mini Militia app to get started. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Now, click on your profile icon at the top left-hand corner of the screen and this will bring up your profile page. Your ID, username, status, and player stats will be displayed on this page. To change your name, click the pencil icon right next to your name and erase the name. Type in the new name you'd like to set for your account, and soon after you do that, you can now go back. As you can see that my name over here has been changed to something else. How to zoom out in Mini Militia using your mobile device. Here, let me go ahead and start a battle first in order to let you know how. The zoom out feature in Mini Militia is super easy to find. Whenever you are in a game, you can zoom in or zoom out by tapping on the little circle at the top left hand corner. This will now be able to zoom out or zoom in if you tap on the button. Whenever you need a closer look in the game, you can simply go ahead and tap on the icon at the top left and you'll be able to zoom in or zoom out on Mini Militia. How to fix lag in Mini Militia application using iPhone. If you're going through the lagging issue on your Mini Militia application, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to close off your Mini Militia app by swiping up the application from the bottom and scroll it all the way upward in order to close off the app from running on your background. The next thing to do is to go and tap open your app store. Also make sure to connect to a stable internet and into the search box type in Mini Militia. If you see an update button right next to the app, make sure to tap on the update button to get the latest version of Mini Militia downloaded for your iPhone. Once you have the updated version, launch open the app by tapping on open and see if that fixes the issue by opening up the game. If the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to open up your settings menu from the app drawer. From the settings page, scroll down and tap General. Tap on Software Update. Make sure to check out the software updates if it is available for your iOS device, and once it is updated to a new version, go back to the General page and tap on iPhone storage. From the list of the apps displayed on the screen, select Mini Militia and tap on Offload App. Tap on Offload App again, and once the application reinstalls again, tap open Mini Militia and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're going through the Mini Militia lagging issue on your iPhone. How to fix Mini Militia connection problem on your iPhone. Here are a few simple steps you can try following in order to resolve your connection issue. First, swipe from the bottom of your iPhone and push off the Mini Militia application at the top in order to remove it from running on the background. Now, the next thing to do is to turn on airplane mode on your iOS device. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it off again. Now, make sure that your mobile device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, go and tap open the settings application from your app drawer. From the General tab, tap on the software update button. Make sure that you are running the latest possible version of your operating system. If you see this interface where it shows you a new update, tap on the Install Now button. Once you update your iOS device to the latest version, the next thing to do is to go ahead and remove the apps that might be running in the background. And once you are done with it, tap open Mini Militia application and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the easiest steps you could try and follow in order to fix connection problems in Mini Militia on your iPhone. How to delete Mini Militia account using your mobile device. If you want to delete your Mini Militia account, then you will not be able to find any delete button inside your Mini Militia account. So if you want to delete your account, then you can try contacting the game's support team for more information on this matter. Simply go ahead and launch open Mini Militia on your mobile device. Also make sure that you are logged in. From the main home page, tap on the gear icon right next to your profile picture and your name at the top left. This will open up your settings tab. From the accounts tab, tap on the view button right next to customer support. Now, you can submit a request stating that you'd like to delete your account. So in this page, simply go ahead and tap on the drop down and select Mini Militia from the list. If you don't find Mini Militia, you can tap on this other mini clip game and under submit a request, select the game from the next drop down and select Mini Militia. Now, enter your email address on the next field. Make sure to enter a valid email address and on the next field, type in your player ID or your unique ID. Under select an issue that you are having, tap on the drop down and select whatever the issue you are going through. Let me select related to my account. Under what kind of problem do you have with your account, tap on drop down and select I have data related question, that is data request account deletion. Under choose what kind of data related question, tap on the drop down and select I wish to delete my account. Select your operating system from the next field. Select the version of your operating system or write down the version of your operating system. If you want to skip this step, you can do so since it's an optional. Enter the version of the game that you are playing and also mention the issue that you are going through. Also enter the model number of your device, the kind of login you are using, and other information in the text boxes. When the description box comes, you can make a request to delete your account. Also make sure that you include your email address associated with your game account, and finally tap on the submit button. If you want to upload any attachments, you can tap on the add file button and upload a file that might help regarding the request that you are making. After you are done, tap on the submit button, and all you need to do now is to wait for further assistance from the support team. That is the only way you can get hold of your support team and make a request to delete your Mini Militia account. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.